Welcome to Venu Maths Academy. In this video series, discuss about objective type questions in 3D coordinate system. Level 3 models. Question number 5. If capital R divides the line segment joining P equal to 2, 3, 4 and Q equal to 4, 5, 6 in the ratio -3:2, then the value of the parameter which represent R is. Here the four options are given. In this question, R divides PQ in the ratio -3:2. R divides externally, ratio is negative. Here to find the value of parameter in R, here one concept, the line segment end points capital A x1, y1, z1 and B x2, y2, z2. Here P divides AB internally or externally. Here the P coordinates are x, y, z. The parameter of P is, the formula is x is equal to x1 plus t into x2 minus x1 or y is equal to y1 plus t into y2 minus y1 or z equal to z1 plus t into z2 minus z1. This is the formula. Line segment endpoints P equal to 2, 3, 4. Q equal to 4, 5, 6. Here PQ, this is the PQ line segment. R divides externally, the ratio is negative. The P coordinates 2, 3, 4, x1, y1, z1. Q coordinates 4, 5, 6, x2, y2, z2. R divides PQ in the ratio -3:2. That means 3:2 externally. To apply find the value of R, to apply the section formula, R equal to mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, my2 minus ny1 by m minus n, mz2 minus nz1 by m minus n. Here the m value equal to 3, n value 2. To apply the formula, the coordinates x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2. m x2 3 into 4 12, n x1 2 into 2 4 by 3 minus 2 1, m y2 3 into 5 15 minus n y1 2 into 3 6 by 3 minus 2 1, m z2 3 into 6 18 minus 2 into 4 8 by 3 minus 2 1. Here 12 minus 4 8, 15 minus 6 9, 18 minus 8 10. This is the R coordinates. The coordinates represent x, y, z. Here the t parameter t in R, t is equal to parameter. To find the t value, here one formula, x is equal to x1 plus t into x2 minus x1. This is the formula to find the t. Here x is equal to 8. 8 is equal to x1 2 plus t into x2 minus x1 4 minus 2 2. 2t is equal to 8 minus 2 6, 2 1 so 2 3, t equal to 3. This is the answer. T is equal to 3 in first option. Question number 6. In a triangle ABC, the midpoint of the sides AB comma BC comma CA are respectively L comma 0 comma 0, 0 comma M comma 0 and 0 comma 0 comma N. Then AB square plus BC square plus CA square by L square plus M square plus N square. These are the four options. In this problem, triangle ABC, this is the triangle ABC. Here D the midpoint of side AB. The midpoint of side AB D coordinates is given. Let D equal to L comma 0 comma 0. 0 comma M comma 0 is the midpoint of BC. Let it be midpoint of BC is E. E the coordinates 0 comma M comma 0. Midpoint of CA 0 comma 0 comma N. Let F be the midpoint of CA. F equal to 0 comma 0 comma N. To find vertices A, B and C, capital A equal to D plus F minus C. D plus F minus C. L in x coordinates, L plus 0 minus 0. L, y coordinates 0 plus 0 minus M. Minus M. In z coordinates 0 plus N minus 0. N. This is the capital A vertex L comma minus M comma N. Next to find B. D plus E minus F. X coordinate L plus 0 minus 0. L. Y coordinate 0 plus M minus 0. M. Z coordinate 0 plus 0 minus N. This is the B coordinates. Next to C. C is the sum of C, E plus F minus D. Here the X coordinate 0 plus 0 minus L, comma, M plus 0 minus 0, M, comma, 0 plus N minus 0. Here the N, the C coordinates minus L, comma, M, comma, N. To find AB, AB square. In AB square's root is cancelled. L minus L 0. Root is cancelled. In AB square, root is cancelled. L minus L 0. Minus M minus 2M minus 2M whole square 4M square. N plus N 2N whole square 4N square. Next to find BC square. The root get cancelled. L plus L 2L whole square 4L square. M minus M 0, minus N minus 2N whole square 4N square. Next to find AC square. AC square. L plus L 2L whole square 4L square. Minus M minus 2M whole square 4M square. Here N minus N 0. To find the value of AB square plus BC square plus AC square by L square plus M square plus N square. Sum the AB square plus BC square plus AC square. 4L square plus 4L square 8L square. 4M square plus 4M square 8M square. 4M square plus 4N square 8N square by L square plus M square plus N square. Here 8 is the common. L square plus M square plus N square by L square plus M square plus N square. This value is get cancelled. The result is 8. Third option. Question number 7. Capital A 0 comma 2 comma 3 comma B equal to 2 comma minus 1 comma 5 comma C equal to 3 comma 0 comma minus 3 are vertices of triangle ABC if small letters A comma B comma C are HG comma GS comma SH, then their increasing order is, here H is the orthocenter, G is the centroid and S is the circumcenter. To find in this problem triangle ABC vertices are given. To find H orthocenter, G centroid and circumcenter. Capital A equal to 0 comma 2 comma 3, B equal to 2 comma minus 1 comma 5, C equal to 3 comma 0 comma minus 3. First, to find the nature of the triangle, here to find distance between AB, 0 minus 2 whole square 4, 2 plus 1 3, 3 square 9, 3 minus 5 minus 2 whole square 4, 4 plus 4 8 plus 9 17, root 17. To find the distance between BC, 2 minus 3 whole square minus 1 whole square 1, minus 1 minus 0 whole square minus 1 whole square 1, 5 plus 3 8, 8 square 64, root 66. The sum is AC. To find distance between AC, 0 minus 3 whole square 9, 2 minus 0 whole square 4, 3 plus 3 6, 6 square 36, 36 40 49, root 49. Here too, this is the BC is the longest side. Apply the Pythagoras theorem. BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. BC root 66 square 66, AB square root 17 square 17 square, root 17 square root is cancelled 17, root 49 square root is cancelled 49, 66 is equal to 17 plus 49, 66. Triangle ABC is a right angled. Triangle ABC is a right angled. Here to find orthocenter H, centroid G and circumcenter S. The longest length is BC. BC is the hypotenuse. Here BC is the hypotenuse. A 90 degree. In a right angle triangle, 90 degree vertex represent orthocenter. H is equal to orthocenter. H is equal to orthocenter, that is vertex B, sorry, vertex A. 90 degree vertex represent orthocenter. 0 comma 2 comma 3. Circumcenter is the midpoint of hypotenuse. Here BC is the hypotenuse. S equal to circumcenter, that equal to midpoint of BC. Midpoint of BC. 2 plus 3 by 2. 5 by 2, comma, minus 1 plus 0 by 2, minus 1 by 2, comma, 5 minus 3, 2, 2 by 2, 1. This is the circumcenter. Next to find G. G is the centroid. Centroid of triangle formula. Here the coordinates x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2 and x3, y3, z3. Centroid x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, z1 plus z2 plus z3 by 3. 0 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 by 3. This is the x coordinate. In y coordinate, 2 minus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1 by 3. Z coordinates, 3 plus 5, 8, 8 minus 3, 5, 5 by 3. These are the centroid coordinates. To find HG, small a equal to HG, small a equal to HG. To find the HG value, 0 minus 5 by 3 whole square. 5 by 3 whole square, 25 by 9. 25 by 9. 2 minus 1 by 3 whole square. 2 minus 1 by 3 whole square. 3 minus 5 by 3 whole square. 3 minus 5 by 3 whole square. Root 25 by 9. 3 to 6. 6 minus 1, 5. 5 by 3. 25 by 9. 3, 3, 9. 9 minus 5, 4. 4 by 3. 16 by 9. Here LCM is same. Add the numbers 25 plus 25, 50, 50 plus 16, 66. Root 66 by 9. Next to find B. B the distance between GS. GS. Square root of GS. 5 by 2 minus 5 by 3 whole square, minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 whole square, 1 minus 5 by 3 whole square, 1 minus 5 by 3 whole square. Here LCM is the 6. 6 is the LCM. 3 5 is 15. 2 5 minus 10 whole square. Here LCM 6. Minus 3 minus 2 whole square. LCM 3. 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 minus 2. Minus 2 by 3 whole square. 4 by 9. 15 minus 10. 5. 5 by 6. 25 by 36. 25 by 36. Minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. Minus 5 by 6. 25 by 36. Plus 4 by 9. Here LCM is 36. LCM is 36. 25 plus 25. 9 4 4 4 16. 25 plus 25. 50 50 plus 16. 66. Root 66 by 36. Next to find C. C is the distance between SH. SH. Distance between SH. Zero minus 5 by 2 whole square. 0 minus 5 by 2 whole square. 25 by 4. 0 minus 5 by 2 whole square. 25 by 4. 2 plus 1 by 2 whole square. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 square, 4. Root 25 by 4. 2, 2. 4, 4 plus 1. 5, 5 by 2. 25 by 4 plus 4. Here LCM is 4. 25 plus 25 plus 4, 4, 16 by 4. Here the result is 25 plus 25, 50, 50 plus 16, root 66 by 4. By observing that small a, root 66 by 9, small b, root 66 by 36, small c, root 66 by 4. Here first one, a square, 66 by 9, b square, 66 by 36, c square, 66 by 4. By observing that here b square, b is the increasing order, least to higher. Here b is the least value, b square, b is the least value, second least value is a, and third least highest value is c. b comma a comma c, this is the increasing order, b comma a comma c, third option. Question number 8. The x comma y comma z coordinates of each vertex of a triangle are in AP. The x and y coordinates of the centroid of the triangle are 1 and 3 respectively. The distance of the centroid from the origin. Here the 4 options are given to find the distance between centroid and origin. In this problem, in a triangle ABC, each vertex coordinates are in AP. Here capital A vertex, let it be x1 comma y1 comma z1, these are on AP. Capital B coordinates x2 comma y2 comma z2 are in AP. C coordinates x3 comma y3 comma z3 are in AP. Here the centroid coordinates are given. Centroid G is equal to 1 comma x coordinate is 1, y coordinate is 3, there is no z coordinate, let it be z coordinate is k. x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 is equal to 1. x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 is equal to 1. Here x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 3. This is represented in sigma x. Sigma x equal to 3. Next y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3 equal to 3. y1 plus y2 plus y3 equal to 9. This is sigma y. Sigma y is equal to 9. Next z1 plus z2 plus z3 by 3. z1 plus z2 plus z3 by 3 is equal to k. z1 plus z2 plus z3 is equal to 3k. Here sigma z equal to 3k. Here sigma x, sigma y and sigma z are in AP. In a comma b comma c are in AP. 2b equal to a comma b comma c are in AP. 2b equal to a plus c. Here to apply 2 sigma y, 2 into sigma y is equal to sigma x plus sigma z. Sigma x plus sigma z. Here to find sigma z value, sigma z is equal to 2 into sigma y minus sigma x. 2 into sigma y value 9, sigma x value 3. 2 9s 18. 18 minus 3, 15. Sigma z is equal to 3k. 3k equal to 15. 3 5s k equal to 5. Here the centroid coordinates g is equal to 1 comma 3 comma k. G equal to 1 comma 3 comma 5. To find distance from centroid to the origin O equal to 0 comma 0 comma 0. To find OG, square root of 1 minus 0 whole square 1, 3 minus 0 whole square 3 square 9, 5 minus 0 whole square 25, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 25 root 35 is the answer. This is the second option. Question number 9. The extremities of a diagonal of rectangular parallelepiped whose sides parallel to axis are 2 comma 3 comma 5 and 5 comma 7 comma 10. If the corresponding projection of axis. Here the rectangular diagonal, these are parallel to axis. Let P equal to 2 comma 3 comma 5, x1 comma y1 comma z1, q is equal to 5 comma 7 comma 10, x2 comma y2 comma z2. These are the extremities of the diagonal in rectangular parallelepiped. Here the projection, the PQ line, projection on x-axis represent capital A. The PQ line projection of y-axis represent capital B. The projection of PQ line on z-axis represent capital C. Here one concept is there. Length of projection of line segment capital A equal to x1 comma y1 comma z1 and B equal to x2 comma y2 comma z2. The AB line projection on x-axis x2 mod x2 minus x1, on y-axis mod y2 minus y1, on z-axis mod z2 minus z1. Here capital A is the projection of PQ on x-axis mod x2 minus x1. The result is 5 minus 2, modulus of 5 minus 2, modulus of 3. Capital B is the projection of PQ on y-axis, formula mod y2 minus y1, 7 minus 3 modulus of 4. C is the projection of PQ on z-axis, mod z2 minus z1. Here z2 value 10 minus 5, modulus of 5. Here A is the least, A less than B less than C. The correct answer is A less than B less than C. C is the highest value. Second option is the correct one. In this video series, level 3 type models in 3D coordinate system. Some models are there. Next video, some 6 models problems are there. Next video discuss about that questions. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. And also if you have any doubts, drop them in the comment section.